Here's the code for the polynomial 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 1. Here's the roots, the ERR, and the answer when it times to 3. When I check it with the calculator, 3, 2, 0, and 1, it's the same. Next is this 5th degree polynomial, finding the roots. The roots are... Next method is using F0. So here's the code. Here's the interval 0 to 1. I run in. Here's the result. As you can see, I use in the first interval is the function and 0.5, and the result is 0.7391. The second one, I use the interval 0 to 1 and also the function. The answer is the same. When I use the interval 1 and 2, try, gives us the result of error. Why it becomes error? Because the sign of these two interval is the same, which is not applicable. So you can see F0 not a valid initial bracketing when I use the interval 1 to 2 because it gives us the same sign. It's not applicable. Next one is the practical exam. There's the non-polynomial functions and the polynomial function. As you can see, the first two functions are transcendental function, which means the second method can't apply to these functions. When I run it, instead of using the second method, I use the approximation. But in the last examples, I use the two methods, and when I compare it R3A to R3B, as you can see, the first method gives all the roots while the second method only one root. That's all.